Hello, everybody. This is the new group of Expandle It. I'm so excited for what we're going to create together and the space that we will uncover that's always been here, but maybe we haven't looked for it. Maybe we haven't been willing to perceive the intensity of it. So we just finished 31 days in January, and that group was all over the world. Quite incredible. And it seems like the longer we do this daily exercise, the more we build a muscle, but it also, I'm getting that it creates, it can create a bit of uncomfortableness. And this is part of why we expand is the things that are crunchy for us to handle. When we expand beyond them, it gets easier. And there's a tendency, I believe, that we expand to a certain point, but then, I don't know, we have a cap or something and we don't go any further. And so we get all this awareness, and it's way more awareness than you've had before. And then it's like, oh gosh, I can't do that anymore. I don't want to do that, or I don't have time. This is 10 minutes. Who doesn't have 10 minutes, right? So even if you can't watch this video live every day, choose it whenever you can, and maybe even repeat it, because throughout this month we're going to be building and exploring the muscle of perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving, in expanding the space of the being that we are. It's not something that you can do, in 2 seconds and then yes, you can choose it, but there's a tendency to contract back down. And so what we're doing is we're building the muscle of us being this expansive being all the time. It's not going to be static, but it's going to be larger than you're used to being. So it's sort of like, stretching a rubber band or something, and then it goes back, and then you stretch it again, and it goes back. And there's certain things that trigger you, and then you'll contract again. But hopefully choosing daily expanding will build this muscle of being spacious, that there is no end to. There's continual possibility. Just like consciousness, there's more to be aware of. So each day I will share a tip or a tool or an awareness or something, and I invite you to share what you're getting, your questions, your struggles even, that I can facilitate more space around. And let's see what we can create together as a group, because the group energy is so much more dynamic than doing it on your own. I do this on my own anyway, but when there's a group, I'm perceiving so much more, and I believe that it's easier for each person in the group to expand and to get the awareness that everybody else gets as well. So let's begin. So this is something where you're including your body and expanding your being. So put your hands somewhere on your body. You can close your eyes if you like. And just get present with your body, all the way from your feet up to the top of your head. Get really present. And now expand your awareness beyond your body in all directions, feeling the room that you're in. And like in my peripheral vision, there was somebody who just walked by outside. And it's like, when we expand, we can include everybody. So I have this total awareness of that person and their life. And expand into your neighborhood, beyond your neighborhood, filling the entire city or town that you're in. And going into the earth, the same space. So it's like this bubble around your body. And then go further. Maybe your entire country. And notice how